I tried affiliate marketing for a week as a complete newbie. You won't believe the results. Hello and welcome to my first foray into the mysterious world of affiliate marketing, an online venture that has piqued my curiosity for some time now. But what actually happens when you, armed with zero experience, dive in headfirst? Join me as I recount my journey through this past week, a tale filled with surprises, challenges, and unexpected outcomes. Starting on day one, I was brimming with excitement and, admittedly, a touch of apprehension. I had immersed myself in countless articles and watched numerous tutorials, including those late-night videos promising easy money. But reality soon checked my expectations. As I navigated through endless lists of affiliate programs and network platforms, I realized that choosing the right niche was the first, perhaps most crucial hurdle. Should I venture into technology products, beauty items, or perhaps health supplements? Each decision felt weighted, each choice a potential game changer. Coming into day two, my confidence had dimmed slightly. Determined to maintain transparency with myself and my future audience, I opted for products I personally use and can vouch for. In this process, something unexpected happened. I found myself learning about customer personas and market segmentation, two totally unfamiliar concepts, until a mere 48 hours ago. And so, my first posts were crafted, naively optimistic, shared across social media platforms, and accompanied by seemingly obligatory hashtags. Day three arrived, and the wait began. With an anxious heart, I checked my accounts constantly, waiting for a single click or purchase to validate my efforts. The silence was initially demoralizing. It had dawned on me that success in this field demands more than enthusiasm. It requires patience, creativity, and strategy. But amidst this challenge, a seed of determination was planted. Here, in the struggle, lay the thrill of the journey, unpredictable, but grasping a profound sense of possibility. By day four, reality had shifted somewhat in my favor. Small ripples of activity turned into waves. As views turned into clicks, my spirits lifted. Day five brought a surprise. I made my first sale. A modest sum, yes, but a tangible result of persistence. Incremental success became my beacon. These small achievements amplified my motivation and provided an energy that transformed my initial apprehension into a growing confidence. The week concluded with reflections on day 6 and 7. I began to understand that this venture, though initially overwhelming, is a path paved with learning curves and unseen rewards. Affiliate marketing is not a sprint, but a marathon, a narrative of commitment, adaptation, and growth. And so my first week ends not merely with newfound knowledge, nor only with preliminary earnings, but with an invaluable understanding of what truly drives success in this realm: resilience and authenticity. An eye-opening journey from zero to the beginnings of more potential income than I ever suspected growing up. Has my first week made me an expert? Certainly not. But it has taught me that with each stumble, there is an opportunity to rise. I invite you to follow along and see where this path takes me next. Subscribe, and let's explore together the twists and turns of this fascinating digital frontier.